At Buckingham, good enough is not in our vocabulary. Just because the SuperSqueeze is the most widely used wood pole fall restriction device in the industry didn't mean we were satisfied. We believe there is always room for improvement, which is why we developed the EZ Squeeze. For those of you who recently purchased a SuperSqueeze, there is good news. We now offer an EZ Squeeze Retrofit Kit, which allows you to upgrade your SuperSqueeze to an EZ Squeeze. The EZ Squeeze Retrofit Kit is available in 3 sizes: Model 490 for distribution lengths, 490M for mid-lengths, and 490T for transmission lengths. Let's take a quick tour at how easy it is to upgrade your SuperSqueeze to an EZ Squeeze. Simply remove the carabiner from the end of the inner web strap or rope. Remove the inner web strap or rope from the D-ring of the outer strap. Then remove it from the stirrup of the serrated roto snap. Next, remove the serrated roto snap from the web grab. Now attach the serrated roto snap to the web grab of the new retrofit outer strap, ensuring the gate is facing out. Insert the inner web strap or rope through the stirrup of the roto snap and then through the D-ring of the outer strap. Reattach the carabiner to the end of the inner web strap or rope. What you now have is an EZ Squeeze. The 2 features that make the EZ Squeeze a lineman's favorite are the buckhorn and looped handle. A simple tap of the buckhorn will allow users to increase the length of the outer strap without removing their weight from the belt. The looped handle now keeps the user's hands in line, providing them the feeling of climbing with a pole strap. Although not demonstrated in this video, the EZ Squeeze Retrofit Kit is also available for SuperSqueezes incorporating snap hooks as the body belt attachment. This will require the user to remove the web grab or buck grab from the inner web strap or rope prior to removing it from the D-ring of the outer strap and stirrup of the roto snap. Included in the retrofit kit is the outer strap, new bolt and lock nut for either the web grab or buck grab, and easy-to-follow instructions.